Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. This is a simple way, a very simple way how to make your own envelope pillow cover. Yeah, just a simple way. Just look how beautiful it is. Easy tutorial, well explained. You can do just a simple step that you gotta take, a few steps that you gotta take. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you will be updated. It's more IFC. It is what it is. It's a simple word. This is very simple, easy, well explained. You can do it. All you need is your measurements and your pillow to take the measurement from. We just need 3 measurements that we gotta take from this pillow. That's how it is. So when you get your pillow, you measure the length of your pillow. There is a front view of it, the front length and the other side of it as well. So now we're going to measure the back. The back is the one that will cover in front, that will come in front of it. So we're going to measure like this and still hold it and then we'll curve it like that. You can still bring it down. It depends how you want it, the opening to be. You can still bring it down. So that's the 3 measures that we need. So this is my fabric. You're going to fold the fabric into 2. It's like cutting a man top. A man tops, the back is always longer than the front. That's how this one is going to be. The front is short and the back is long because the back will cover up to the front. So I folded my fabric into 2. You can decide to cut it separately, the front different and the back different, but you can mix it up together and cut it out. So I measured the length of it plus 2-inch sewing allowance. Let me open for you to know how I folded. See how I folded it? So the bottom there is on fold, it's on open, so I'll take my measurement from that. Then I measure the side of it as well. Then I add 2-inch sewing allowance. And remember, after that you measure the back of it. You measure the back as well. So the back will cover like this. You can add 5 inches, you can add 8 inches, you can add 11 inches, 15 or 20 inches at the back. So you make a notch at the center. So this is how it is. Remember, we added 2 inches, so we're going to fold 1 inch like this and add another 1 inch. Then you sew on top. Have you seen how I'm doing? It's more IFC. It is what it is. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe. I did all this one for you guys. I did it for you. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like and share. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. This is just a cover how to sew a simple thing for the beginners to You do the same thing at the other side. You fold 2-inch inward. It is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. It is what it is. Yeah. So we fold it like that and we sew on top. Remember the notch that we made at the center is very important. That gives us the center of it. The front and the back, they are not the same length. So we go in, we search for the notch, then we sew it like that. Maybe if you cut it separately, you can still have to add it like this way. Because I join it together as well, I have to look out for the notch. But if you cut it separately, just have to join it because the back is always longer than the front. You just have to join it like that, both of them together. But you don't have to sew throughout. You need to measure You know, the back is long, so you need to fold it and get your mark where the fold is going to be end. You can see I make a double stitch. I'm trying to look. I decided to still make the back be 1 inch longer than the front. You can make it a 1/2 inch, or you can just make all of them equal at that point. I'm trying to make a mark there so that I'll turn everything inward. I'll put the rest inward. Let me take it off for you. Just show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to fold it inward like that. After making my mark, you can see I made the mark there. Exactly. So I'm going to sew on top. When I get to that point, I have to make a double stitch at that point as well. If you're still not getting it, we're going to do the other side and you still will understand what I mean. You can't put it on top and sew it on top. No, you just have to put the rest one in the middle between them. It's going to be in between the back and the front. So looking for my notch. Then I'm going to make a double stitch. So I've seen this is how I'm doing it. Then I fold it inward like that. Then I sew straight out. Remember I said I left the back to be 1 inch longer or 1/2 inch longer. You can decide to leave it, make it all equal. You still get the same results. So you sew throughout. That's it. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So let me flip everything over to show you the outcome. After that, I'm gonna put it inside I'm gonna cover it with my pillow. Use this cover and cover up my pillow and see the results of it. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So let me go and put my pillow inside. And let's see the turn out. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. So we're done. It's Mora. This is what I gotta give you today. Envelope pillow cover. It's all yours. So you can see it as you see it. Shalom, peace to everybody. Stay safe. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. See how beautiful it is? I'm out. Go try your hands on it.